Hi everyone, so today we are going to see a new problem statement. So here's the problem statement. We have a string with spaces. So this is hi, how are you? Now I have to print the output like this. So each string should be reversed. HI should be reversed to IH. HO W should be reversed to WOH. Similarly for all the strings, substrings we have in that string. So for this, what we can do, uh, I will go through the algorithm first. Mm, First, I will take this HI, then I will reverse it. We can use string builder reverse to reverse it. But in our case, we are going to solve without using string builder reverse. So, to reverse a string without using string builder, we have to write a custom method which will reverse that string actually. So, let us write the custom method public static string, and let's name that custom method as reverse. It will accept the string as input, and now let's create a character array because I need to iterate each element in that string. S dot to character array will return a character array. Then I will iterate each element in that string. I less than s dot length. We will store that length somewhere because we have to use that length every time. Is equal to s dot length. Fine. I is less than length I plus plus. Okay. Let's create a new string called reversed string, and let's initialize that to empty. So reverse string is equal to reverse string plus what I'm trying to do. We have to add the last index string, right, for the first character in that reverse string. So what we have to do, we have to get the last index. How we can get it? First, we have to uh, get the length of the entire character length of the entire string, which will in our case, let's say our length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we have length as 14. So since character array index starts from 0, if we go with 14, uh, we have to go like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So it will go till 30. Okay. So that's why we have to use length minus 1, and we have to use my we have to minus I. So in the initial iteration I will be 0. So it will be length minus 1, which is 14 minus 1, which is 13. So it will be 13 minus 1 minus 0, which is 13 actually. So what is the 13th index? U. U we have. So the reverse string, the first iteration will have U. Similarly, if we add all the characters, finally we can get the reverse string. So here I will return the reverse string. Fine. Now what we are going to do, we have to get the string first. String input is equal to hi, how are you? This is for an example. So from the string, we will get the character array. The same way we tried for reverse. Now we will get the character array again. This is for the entire string to character array. Now again we will loop it. Is equal to 0. I less than we will get the length from the character array because it will be used multiple times. Length is equal to character array dot length. Then I less than length I plus plus. Fine. Now we have the length with us and we have the character array with us. We are looping each character now. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to initialize. I'm trying to create a few variables now. So we can name that as substring. Why we need a substring is because for for the string we have multiple substring like hi, how are you, right? So for each substring I'm defining that as I'm creating a substring for each substring. That's why I am creating that as empty substring now. Now what we can do, we have to see if the character matches to character dot I. If it is not equal to empty, if it is not equal to empty, uh, then what we are going to do is we can add that character to that string, to that substring. Substring is equal to substring plus character of I. We can add that character. Okay. So what we will have in the substring, we will have hi. Okay. Because if it's equal to empty space, then it breaks actually here. So we have substring as hi in the initial three iteration, and it will break in the third iteration because this space will be encountered during the third iteration. And at that time, what we have to do, we have to reverse that substring which we got. So we can write a condition whenever we encounter a space, empty space, we will reverse the substring. So I will reverse the substring now, and I have to reverse the substring, and I have to store in a final string, which is a reverse string. Okay, so final string is equal to final string plus what I will do, I will try to use our reverse method which we already wrote substring. Okay, now it will reverse that string, and what I will do, final string is equal to final string plus space we have to add. So again I'm adding space with this. Then one more condition we have to do here. We have to set the substring to empty again because the substring will have hi. In the second iteration, it should have HOW. Okay, that's why we have to again reset this whenever the condition matches with empty. And yeah, that's it. Let's see whether we are getting the correct output. Input is out final string. Let's run and see. Okay, I got IHWH and ERH is inspected. Though, so this is actually missed. So for the last string, actually we don't have a extra space after that. That's why we have to check one more condition also here to map the last substring. Character of I, not character of I equal to length minus 1. So this condition will see the character I is equal to length minus 1, which means we have reached the end of the string. If we reach the end of the string, we have to reverse it and we have to add it. So that's it. So here we can add one more condition like if I not equal to length minus 1, then only add the extra space because we don't need extra space after the final character, right? So that is the condition for this. Now let's run and see. Yeah, now we got the final substring also. So this is how you have to reverse a substring without using inbuilt function. That's it, guys. Thank you.